Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet a dress. In this video, I'll show you how to join front and back parts together, finish the body and crochet sleeves. Complete details about this project are available at internet.com/crochet dress. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Again, after the third increase round, work 4 rounds without increasing chains and then repeat the pattern starting from the third round, working more double crochets between increase and V-stitch. Round 8, chain 3, double crochet 1 into the same chain, double crochet 1 and now work increase. Again, skip 2, increase, double crochet 2, V-stitch into V-stitch, and then work as a mirror reflection again after the V-stitch, double crochet 2 and then increase. At the end of the 8th round, finish the V-stitch. After double crochet 1, work half double crochet 1 into the third chain. And then I'm going to use a different yarn. Then again, following 4 rounds, work without increasing chains, using a larger size crochet hook. And again, chain 3 and so on. After the double crochet 4, skip 2 and again double crochet 4, V-stitch into V-stitch and so on. When you crochet 13 rounds, join front and back parts together. Use 6 repeats for each front and back parts and 4 repeats for each shoulder part. Begin round 14 as usual and work 6 repeats only. And after last V-stitch, chain 10. After the 10 chains, skip the shoulder part, 4 repeats, 3, 4, and then work V-stitch into V-stitch, and then work the 6 repeats as usual. After the 6 repeats, chain 10 also, skip last 4 repeats, and finish the round as usual. Double crochet 1, and have double crochet into the 3rd chain. Begin your round 15 like your round 14. Just work the pattern regular way. Above the first 10 chains, work regular repeat. So after the V-stitch, double crochet 5, skip 2, double crochet 5. And then skip 2, double crochet 5. Above your last 10 chains, work double crochet 5, skip 2, double crochet 5, then finish the round as usual. Work 2 more rounds like your round 15, and then work rounds using a smaller size crochet hook to about your waistline. Again, use the smaller size crochet hook to your waistline. Then crochet about 10 rounds using the larger size crochet hook and work 1 increase around just like here, and then continue crocheting rounds using the largest size crochet hook until you reach the desired length of the dress. To work sleeves, attach the yarn under arm and work 4 slip stitches. Then continue the round like your round 14. So after the V-stitch, work 5 double crochets. Then skip 2 and again work 5 double crochets, V-stitch into V-stitch and so on. After last double crochet 5, work slip stitches to end. Then cut the yarn and secure it. Then slip stitch around your neckline. After that the dress is ready, and thank you for watching.